This one has spots. It's really cute. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me on another vendor blog. Today I am at the Black Arts Festival downtown Kalamazoo, and I'm about to set up all the home decor products. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the setup process because last time I was only able to show you the actual event. So let me show you my setup and then I'll show you some of the products that we have. So here's the tent. I've got a banner down the middle, and then I've got a banner over there, and then I have one that I plan to put behind me, like just kind of hanging. Last time I had it down like an alley, but this time I want to put the table out front just to see if it causes people to stop a little bit more. Sometimes they feel a little intimidated to come in and look. I want to see for a practical marketing standpoint if this layout works a little bit better. So I've got 1 hour till the event starts, and I still have to style all my things and put everything up. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that, and then we'll talk about some of the products that we're going to be launching. So here are the bottle openers. I think that these will sell pretty well at a Black Arts Festival. I love the pattern on them. There's a few different patterns. So there's this one right here. There's this pattern here. This one is striped. This one has spots. It's really cute. We've literally got 12 minutes before we start, so I'm about to do like a crash styling to get this done with. Everything is out now, it just has to be styled. All right, you guys, so it is 11:29. I don't know if you can hear me because it's really, really loud here. But everything is set up, so now I'm just chilling and waiting for people to hopefully stop by. People have been coming and smelling the candles a lot. Let me show you guys the final setup, okay? And the candles will be on my online shop, so anything that's left over after today, you guys can buy it online. I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's Midnight Sun. It's warm amber plum and creamy sandalwood. This one is one of my favorites, inspired by the wonderful Zara Lawson. I wanted like summer scents, and then also almost all the names have to do with either summer or home related, or of course juju. So this one is Good Juju. Good Juju is like fresh bergamot, soft flower, so it's warm and floral at the same time. Sunday Reset is more of a clean smell. This is one of my favorites. I love clean like linen smells. It also has a slight citrusy smell to it as well. So there's these three. I also have Mimosa. Mimosa is also another amber, but it has some more fruity notes like pineapple, rose, and then vanilla. Homebody Vibes is more like mahogany teakwood. Like if you have had, if you know mahogany teakwood, this one has more of like a musty kind of masculine smell. It has lavender. It's also very clean. It's one of my favorites. And then lastly is Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk has lavender, rosemary, and eucalyptus. So these will all be on the online shop for sale. You guys can get your hands on them. And then also bottle openers. I already showed you guys these. Here's my seagrass mirror. I don't know if I'm gonna have this one on the shop or not. I'll let you guys know about this one. This one is going for $40, but I'm probably gonna put it on sale by the time it goes online. I am limited stock with these, so if you want the seagrass mirror, you're gonna have to grab that one quick, if I still have them today. And then lastly, my favorite are my Let's Go Thrifting glass cups. I actually am using it right now back there. I made a smoothie this morning. These have literally been like a game changer for me. They wash so well. They're very sturdy. I love the glass straw. I use it almost every single day, pretty much, like every single day. I make my iced coffee in the morning in here. I've been making like fresh squeezed peach lemonade for the summer. And I always use my cup, and they're only 10 bucks. So these are definitely gonna be continuing for the Juju brand. So if you wanna get your hands on these, you can also buy it on the online shop as well. I forgot to tell you guys that you can actually get a discount on the online products if you are signed up for my wait list and my mailing list. You can do so by going to my website. I'll make sure I put the link in the bio below, or in the description box, sorry, so that you guys can go ahead and click that and join the wait list for 10% off. Also, let me know what you guys' favorite scents are right now. What's your go-to candle scent? I am more of like a fresh linen kind of smell girl. Like, that's always my go-to. What is your go-to? Let me know, put it in the comments. Somebody came and relieved me for a second so I can get something to drink. I really want a lemonade. I've been seeing people walk around with these big juicy lemonades, and I want to get one. So let me find the, oh, here they are. I found them.
Lemonade.
Hello.
Favorite choice.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Do you guys take Apple Pay?
Yes, ma'am. You take Apple Pay, right? Yes, we do. Yes.
Okay.
We do.
Can I get a lemonade, please?
What flavors would you like? And we have a new flavor.
A
cotton
peach?
candy too.
Ooh, yeah, I'll do peach.
All right. One peach. Got it.
I'm always so awkward when people come by. I'm like, do I talk to them? Do I not talk to them? If you guys have done fairs before, let me know. I'm just like, I don't know. I don't want to be like too much. I kind of want to let them browse, but I also don't want to like come off rude, like I'm not engaging them, you know? But I also don't want them to feel pressure, like they have to buy something. Did you try this one up here? This is more like clean scents.
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah, if you like Pillow Talk, I thought you might like the Sunday Reset too.
Yeah,
Okay.
Reset.
Okay, awesome. And we got a deal. I don't know if you saw, we have a deal 2 for $40 now. So let me give you. And how would you like to make a payment? Yeah, you can do tap. I'll go ahead and put a card in there for you as well.
You all by yourself, or do you have somebody else?
So I actually partner with someone for the candles. Some of the stuff I thrift. I'm actually a YouTuber. I make interior design and like home content, and I thought it would be nice to sell my subscribers some like actual home products. So I've been using the festival season to just test out different things and see what people are liking. But I love candles personally, so I was like, I have to get candles because.
And I'm like, I'm gonna have to sneak them in because I got like a couple of cases of candles already.
Yeah, you can never have too many. Oh, okay. These are good gift sizes too. Yeah. I'm gonna at least make my booth fee back. The booth fee was $250, so I'm hoping that we make that back at the very minimum. But it's nice. I'm getting some exposure, and yeah, it's nice. Thank you. Which one is your favorite? Which one were you looking at? Oh yeah, everybody loves that one. I'm almost out of that one actually. Yeah. Hi. Hi, how are you?
That's your name?
That's my nickname.
Oh, that's cool. Oh,
Yeah.
I like the good.
Okay, yeah, because I was gonna say Midnight Sun, we only have a couple.
Okay.
So if you want it, I can hold it for you. I heard you say you wanted to come back for it, but I think we have enough of those.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. They're all soy. What did you say? Sorry.
I don't know if it's pillow talk that's
Oh, I don't know. I think it's like the combination.
of all of it.
People really like the Midnight Sun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you smelling a more clean or are you smelling more fruity smell?
More clean.
Okay, it might be Sunday Reset.
Yeah, that one and the combination of pillow talk.
And then men tend to like this one because it has a more masculine smell to it.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, so I completely forgot to do an outro for this video and my camera ended up dying, but it was a successful vendor event. I actually did make back my vendor fee and I made some sales. It was a really good day, but we do have inventory left. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a candle, a bottle opener, or any of the other remaining products, you can do so on my website at www.jujuhomeco.com. I'll make sure to put a link to the website below. Feel free to join the email list for 10% off. I am so excited about this line of candles, and I also have a fall collection coming up. These are only going to be available for a limited amount of time, and I do have a limited stock available. They're going to go live on the website in just a couple weeks on July 31st, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Saturday. Bye.